Hi friends, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video, Cozy Living Spaces Attic Edition, where we are elevating attics from dusty storage areas to the pinnacle of home comfort. If you've ever glanced up at your attic and seen potential for more, this video is your blueprint to transformation. We've curated an amazing selection of over 50 antique design and conversion ideas that will spark your imagination and help you create a space that's uniquely yours, from a plush living room that invites relaxation to a serene master bedroom that becomes your personal escape. From a lovely leisure room filled with entertainment to a whimsical kids' room where imagination can run wild, we've got ideas that cater to every desire. So join us as we explore the heights of home design. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration on turning every nook of your home into a cozy heaven. Let's transform that underutilized space into your favorite place in the house. It's time to ascend to your attic's full potential. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and let's make cozy happen. Converting attic spaces into cozy living areas is an increasingly popular trend among homeowners seeking to maximize their home's potential. Attics, often overlooked and underutilized, hold immense possibilities for transformation into versatile spaces that cater to a variety of needs. Whether it's a comfortable living room, an elegant master bedroom, a vibrant leisure room, or a playful kids' room, the attic can become a stylish haven that enhances both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your home. One of the primary benefits of utilizing attic spaces is the efficient use of available square footage. In many homes, the attic is an untapped resource that can be converted into functional living space without expanding the home's footprint. This not only optimizes the use of existing space but also provides an alternative to costly home extensions or renovations. Moreover, transforming the attic can significantly increase property value. A well-designed attic conversion adds a unique selling point to the home, attracting potential buyers who value the extra living space and the creativity involved in its design. Real estate expert often highlights that properties with additional well-utilized spaces tend to command higher market prices, making attic transformation a sound investment. Another compelling reason to consider converting your attic is the opportunity to create a personalized and unique area. Unlike conventional rooms, the attic's distinct architectural features, such as sloping ceilings, exposed beams, and skylights, offer a charming and character-filled canvas. Homeowners can infuse their personality and style into the design, resulting in a bespoke space that stands out from the rest of the house. In summary, converting an attic into a cozy living space is a practical and rewarding endeavor. It allows homeowners to maximize their living area, increase property value, and create a unique, personalized environment that enhances the overall home experience. As we delve deeper into the specific of attic transformation, we'll explore varied design ideas, practical consideration, and expert tips to help you turn your attic into the stylish heaven you've always dreamed of. When planning an attic conversion, several critical design considerations must be addressed to ensure the transformation results into a functional and stylish living space. One of the foremost aspects is ceiling height. Attics often have sloped ceiling, which can limit the usable space. It's essential to measure the height of the and lowest points to determine if the area meets the minimum requirements for habitable rooms, which typically range between 7 to 8 feet. Insulation is another crucial factor. Proper insulation is necessary not only for comfort but also for energy efficiency. Attics can be particularly susceptible to temperature fluctuation, making high-quality insulation imperative to maintain a stable indoor climate. Optional like spray foam or rigid foam boards are effective in providing the necessary thermal barrier. Natural lighting is vital to creating an inviting attic space. Skylights and dormer windows are excellent solutions for introducing ample daylight, which can make the room feel more open and airy. Strategically placing these windows can also offer picturesque views and enhance the overall ambience. Proper ventilation is equally important to prevent moisture buildup and ensure air circulation. Without adequate ventilation, attics can become stuffy, hot, and prone to mold growth. Incorporating ridge vents, soft vents, and attic fans can greatly improve air quality and comfort. Access to the attic is another practical consideration depending on the layout. You may need to install a staircase or modify existing access points to ensure safe and convenient entry and exit. Spiral staircase or retractable ladders can be space-saving solutions. Working with slab ceiling can present challenges but can also offer opportunities for creative design solutions. Custom-built storage units, low-profile furniture, and utilizing the nooks and crannies effectively can maximize space efficiency. Built-in shelves and cabinets can transform awkward spaces into useful storage areas. Lastly, consulting with professionals such as architects and contractors is paramount to ensure that the attic conversion adhere to building codes and safety regulations. Their expertise can provide invaluable insights and help navigate any structural constraints, ensuring the project is executed smoothly and safely. So, in conclusion, the attic, often an overlooked space, holds immense potential for transformation into cozy and stylish living areas. From serene bedrooms to functional home offices, the possibilities are endless. Here we present a curated selection of over 50 inspiring attic conversion ideas that showcase a variety of style and functions. These examples highlight innovative solutions and key design elements, encouraging you to envision your own attic as a stylish heaven. And that's a wrap on our Cozy Living Spaces Attic edition. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the nooks and crannies of attic transformation as much as we love presenting it to you. Remember, your attic holds the key to an extra layer of comfort in your home, and we are here to unlock that potential together. If you are inspired to start your own attic makeover, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with friends who might be looking for their next home project. Your support means the world to us. Subscribe to stay updated with our latest content and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. We've got plenty more cozy ideas coming your way. Before you go, drop a comment below and tell us which attic idea sparked your creativity. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps to create content that lights up your home life. Thank you for watching, and remember, in the world of home design, the sky, or should we say the ceiling, is the limit. Stay cozy, stay creative, and until next time, happy homemaking!